Good morning, children. This is our class 4 term 1 textbook. All in one class 4 term 1 English, mathematics, environmental studies and general knowledge. 4 subjects together. One book is term 1. Like that we have term 1, term 2 and term 3 books right from class 1 to class 5. In this also textual grammar is there. Again, apart from the term 1 book, we have separate functional English grammar and composition book of class 4. This also right from class 1 to class 5. We have separate English grammar, okay? And again, I have started this textual grammar and I have started this functional grammar also. Now, apart from these 2 books, I mean all-in-one and functional grammar, we have separate one book, children. It is called worksheets. Previous we used to take Xerox papers, no, not like that this year. We have to work in the book itself. In the book itself, they have given minimum each subject 20 to 25 worksheets are one page worksheet only for English, mathematics, environmental studies and general knowledge. Like that, this also we have 3 books, children. Term 1 worksheet, term 2 and term 3, okay? Today, I am explaining you about worksheet class 4 types of sentences worksheet number 1, children, okay? Now see what is this? Page number 3, English worksheet 1, types of sentences, children. Here they have given, I told you all in the previous class, there are 4 types of sentences. Before that I told you how to form the sentence, what are the rules and regulations we have to follow to make a meaningful sentence. Isn't it? I told you all these points, okay? And sentences end with one, first sentence, maybe sentences end with full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. Isn't it? Types of sentences, there are 4 kinds of sentences. First one is declarative sentence or assertive sentence. You are declaring, you are telling somebody. I mean, I am going to the shop. I am watching to the what? I am listening to the music. Isn't it? She is coming to my house. So you are declaring, that is called declarative or assertive sentence. Coming to second one, interrogative sentence means what, children? Interrogative means asking questions. You are questioning, like question mark. What is your name? In which class are you studying? Why didn't you come to school? Isn't it? Did you do the homework? Where did you go? How old are you? Whose book is this? There are some question words in English grammar. That is called interrogative sentence. And third one is imperative sentence. What is called imperative sentence? In this, 2 options will be there. How many options will be there? 2. One is command. And one more is request, children. Command. Go and shut the door. Go out of the class. Shut your mouth. You are ordering. Request. Bring me one glass of water. Please give me your pen. You are requesting. So these 2 come under imperative sentence. And one more sentence is there. It is called exclamatory sentence. You are expressing sudden feelings. Wow! What a beautiful flower it is. Alas, I lost my dog, puppy. Alas, I did not bring my textbook today. Hip hip hooray, we won the match. Shh, don't make noise. So you are expressing sudden feeling. That is called exclamatory sentence. Like these 4 sentences, no? So English worksheet number 1 belong to types of sentences. So take your book, children, page number 3. See, there are 4 types of sentences. Write 2 sentences in each category. See, they have given declarative sentence or assertive sentence, interrogative sentences 2 lines, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence 2 lines. If you have any doubt, you can go through your English textbook and your English grammar book. They have given the clear explanation. Even I too explained you. Isn't it? I have given the homework also. You have to write on your own, children, sentences. You have to write on your own sentence. But I will tell you the examples. See, first one, declarative or assertive sentence. What you write? Ram is going to shop. Isn't it? I am writing my Telugu homework. My aunt is coming to my house. You are declaring, you are telling something to others, isn't it? That is called declarative sentence. Like that you have tried. I am studying in class 4. You are declaring. Those two, like such type of examples you have to write it under declarative sentence or assertive sentence. Coming to interrogative sentence. How old are you? Where did you go? Whose book is this? Why did you come to school? In which class are you studying? Why did you take my pen? So you are asking questions, right? This type of two sentences. Second one. Coming to imperative, isn't it? Bring me a glass of water. Please, will you give me your book? Okay, that is request. Command, shut the door. Don't fight. Don't make noise in the class. You have to raise your voice. Like that you have to write it in imperative sentence column. Two sentences children. And next here, exclamatory sentence. Alas, I have lost my pet puppy. Okay? Isn't it? We won the match. Hooray, hip hip hooray. Like that you have to write sentences. But each sentence you must end with full stop or question mark or exclamation mark children. This is worksheet number 1, English, this one children. Worksheet book, page number 3. Followed everybody? It is write on your own sentences and end the sentences with these 3